Nothing. 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 No thing. No thing. No thing yet. Am I formed? The transformation is inevitable. But why does it hurt so much? Weight disappears. Weight bearing is not possible. The distance between the atoms is immense. Now, I hope for your love. Now, I hope for your love. Now, I hope for your love. Love me back, please. Love me back, please. I don't know yet. I still don't know. Yet. That's how it is with death. It comes suddenly, and afterwards, everything is different. Why can I no longer recognize myself? Silence heals. Let it into your heart. Let it spread and bring peace. My body is so full of you, so full of the world and pain and power and fear and grief and all that longing. It twitches inside me. It aches. It jumps. It itches in my body. I'm not yet a corpse. I'm still cocooning myself. Not a cuckoo, but a Puppa. Perhaps I will be able to fly in the next life. When I am still, I dream of colliding galaxies and imploding stars. I dream of neons and protons and the journey of 1,000,000 light years. When I'm asleep, I dream of Suki and Reiki, of the energy of existence flowing freely, pooling around you and me and all. When I sleep, I dream of your hands, their tenderness in motion, their clarity in purpose, the warmth that floods through me when I feel them on my skin. Run your fingers through my hair. Caress my ear. Kiss the back of my neck. Please, hold my breasts. Pull me into your embrace. Breathe me in. Suki flows in golden rays. That is how I find my way. What will I be this time? Who will I be this time? Do you believe in reincarnation? I follow Suki, and I follow you. The path unfolds with every step, and yet I do not know what awaits me. I do not know the reason. I can't understand anything. I know nothing. I am not wise. I am no prophet. The future's not here. The future lies in darkness. So I pray for this moment, for the pain, for life, for my love, for my desire, for my path. I pray that I may find a way, with help, with friends, with family. I pray for you, for your freedom. I pray for you, for your tolerance. May you follow your heart and with every step enjoy your life. Draw each moment deep into yourself, filled with longing, courage, and warmth. Laugh with me, my love. Laugh with me, my dearest. When I turn my tears into sound, laugh with me. When I make a fool of myself, laugh with me. When I search for broken pieces on my hands and knees and drown in self-pity, laugh with me. I don't know the way. I don't know where it ends. No, I do know where it ends. Death is my patient friend. But he still lets me play. He sits like a gentle father at the edge of the sandbox, watching me as I build my castles of sand and ash. The wind, the rain, they come and destroy my creations. And he smiles quietly to himself, watching me as I begin again. He lets me play with warmth and patience until he's done.